This spot right here looks perfect. Hard packed and deep enough. Let's start here. The base row is complete. Seems stable. Almost there. Need to get this seal perfect. It's freezing. Almost there, stay in place. Oh! Just a little more pressure, it's closed. All right, that's it, perfect fit. Home at last. We're sealed. Good, air is flowing. Safer and warmer already. Ah, that's better. Finally some real light. All right, perfect. Safe and sound. Just need to warm up now. This is exactly what I needed right now. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Another day. Stay strong. Strong. Safe. Ready for the night. Oh my God. It's unreal. Absolutely unreal. Wow. Oh my God. Another morning, focus, just breathe, check the gear, the stove's good, food levels, everything's okay. Oh. Time to go. At last, the night is ours. Perfect. Solid as a rock. Amazing work. Let's get inside.